I am the CEO for Destination Management, India and South Asia for Koni Destination Management based out of Delhi in India. I would say one of the things that we should not forget is that people travel for authentic experiences. You have to be, the countries have to be very careful about the product they build. I'm not talking of infrastructure. People don't want hassle, so you build great airports, you build great roads, metros, water taxis, whatever that you want to build around in cities. But the product, people have to be very careful that if they have too much of the same, you are going to end up not being able to sustain your wow for the market in the future. And that we have to be very careful of, authentic experiences. We should not, everything is not about big shopping malls or big hotels or more of the same is what we need to be very careful about. Because the driver is always, people leave their shows because they want to learn, they want to be in a different culture, and they want to go back having felt that they've seen something which is amazing. Not all the time, but at least they want to be away from what their day-to-day life is. And if we start building too much of the same around the world, it's going to become, it is definitely going to be a big problem. And I think also for the industry at large, they'll need to wake up, everybody will need to, wake up to the fact that people are sensitive towards sustainability, they're sensitive towards various forms of social responsibility. And that's going to weave into this whole travel offering in the future. And I think if we are sensitive about a few facts, I'm sure we'll be, we should do well, all of us.